Assalamu alaikum, namaskar, and hello everyone. Have you ever stopped to think what happens when faith meets the future? Welcome back, everyone. This is episode 2 of our Relevance of Technology series, and today we are stepping into something really powerful, the intersection of technology and Islamic studies. At Skillverse Technologies, we don't just talk about tech for the sake of tech. We talk about ethical innovation, building skills, building futures, bridging faith and innovation for a digital tomorrow. So stay with me because by the end of this video, you're going to see this topic in a completely different light. Now, here's the question, why does this even matter? Because technology isn't just a tool anymore, it's a catalyst. It's changing how the global Muslim community learns, research, and connects with each other. Think about it. Over 1.9 billion Muslims worldwide, this digital shift is empowering all of them. Better access to education, faster research, new ways to preserve our heritage while still embracing modern tools. And honestly, this isn't something we can just watch happen from the sidelines. We need a proactive, faith informed approach to strengthen the Ummah globally. So, how did we even get here? Let's talk research. We didn't just guess our way into this topic, we pulled data from the leading academic databases and top tier Islamic institutions like Al Azhar and the Yaqeen Institute. Over 4 to 6 weeks, we dug deep into AI ethics, digital preservation, accessibility, mapping where things stand right now and where they are headed by 2026 and beyond. But before we jump into the future, let's rewind a little because this isn't the first time that Islam has embraced innovation. To really understand where we are going, we need to look at where we have been. Islamic civilization has always been at the forefront of innovation from the early adoption of papermaking to building some of the world's greatest libraries. The House of Wisdom, the grand libraries of Baghdad and Cordoba, theirs is a civilization that has always chased knowledge using the best tools available at the time. So, digital transformation is, is not a break from tradition, it's the next chapter of it. And the next chapter And the next chapter is already being written in Islamic education. Digital madrasahs, Quran apps, learning that's more interactive, more accessible than even before. Doesn't matter if you are in a small village or a busy city, the barriers to quality Islamic education are coming down. Virtual classrooms are breaking geography. Interactive tools are helping people with tajweed, memorization, translation. And the result, more literacy, more engagement, especially among youth and remote communities who never had this kind of access before. Now, let's talk about something a lot of people are curious and honestly a little nervous about: AI in Islamic scholarship. Here's the truth: AI is powerful, it can scan thousands of pages in seconds, it can help preserve fragile centuries old manuscripts. But, and this is the important, it is not a replacement for the human wisdom. Artificial intelligence doesn't have spiritual insight. It doesn't carry contextual understanding the way a scholar does. The scholar stays at the center. AI is just a force multiplier, not a replacement. So, so if AI supports scholarship, what about spreading the message itself? We are seeing that what people now call the digital pulpit, apps, social media. Dawah has gone globally in a way that was unimaginable a generation ago. But with the reach comes real responsibility. Every Quran app, every Hadith database we use, it has to be verified and it has to be authentic. Which brings us to a bigger question. How do we make sure this technology reaches everyone, not just the privileged few? And that's exactly where inclusive technology comes in. We are seeing the incredible innovations such as screen readers for blind Muslims, apps built specifically for the deaf community. The goal here is simple. No one gets left behind, not because of a disability, not because of where they live. But here's the thing, with every step forward, new risk shows up too. Because, let's be honest, with great technology comes great risk. Fake fatwas, algorithmic bias, these are the real challenges we are facing right now. As Muslim, we actually have a religious duty here. It's called tabayyun. That is, verify before you believe, verify before you share. Especially in an age where misinformation spreads faster than truth. Which means we need something bigger than good intentions. We need an ethical framework. So let's ground this in something solid. Amana, that is trust. It means protecting user data, maintaining digital integrity. Second is hikmah, that is wisdom. Use technology for the greater good, not just for profit or convenience. And the third is maslah, that is public interest, prioritizing tools that actually solve real world problems. This framework isn't just for developers, it holds all of us, developers as well as users, accountable for the impact that technology has. Now, with that ethical foundation in place, where do we go from here? Scholars needs to embrace digital literacy and the lead conversation on ethical AI. Developer needs to build platforms that are inclusive, verified, and secure data. Families need to build what we call the digital adab, means the digital adequate for balanced and healthy tech use. And institutions need to invest in digital preservation and online scholarship. This isn't a one person job, it's collaborative, and together it shapes a future where technology enhances our faith instead of distracting from it. So here's what I want to take away from all of this is technology is neutral, it is just a tool, its value depends entirely on the person using it. Real success sits at the intersection of knowledge, ethics, and intentions. At Skillverse Technologies, our vision has always been simple, building skills and building futures. Use technology to serve humanity and use it to honor our creator Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Thank you for watching. Jazakallah khair and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Remember in your duas.